because I am normal. But sister, look.
Meeting Yuri?
Yes, Yuri.
I have the capacity to change.
Try and help her carry the shopping over that far. Certainly hold the door open for her and that. Let her go out before
Hey, it's all drops of Jesus Christ. Yeah, tell this church got it say. The setting of the holy blood. Yeah.
Come up. What's up there?
The view.
The view of what? The view down here? I can see that from down here.
You know you're just the rudest man. The rudest man.
Bruges is the most well-preserved medieval town in the whole of Belgium, apparently.
I don't like it. It's a shithole.